Hi guys, welcome back Costa channel. Today we have Range Rover SVR V8 supercharged 5 liter. So this car coming in for upgrade FIE system. So we're using the electric valve and also remote control Valvetronic. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, you can see the difference. This is the stock ori. So this is the FI system. You can see the silencer is a very big difference on side by side. So in the middle is already straight flow. So this one have the one in the center mid pipe. So after this we will sound very better on this SVR. Okay guys. Okay guys, so the system is already done. So why we didn't fix the FIE tip spike? So the customer he want to maintain the ori tip spike, so later we cut it and then welding back on here. So already done. This is the catback system until here. Inside is already downpipe. Okay guys, start the engine. So after the catback system, the customer not happy the sound not enough, so we add on downpipe, make it louder, and after this we need to do the stage 2 remat on VTE. finally the car become super nice sound now. So now it's a full system with the VTE map. So if you don't want the sound very loud, we can switch off the remove. So now you can hear the sound is like original. Now it's smooth. The sound is very smooth. Okay, we change back the louder one. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys our next video.